Eversys has a few cleaning menu options. Wipe screen is a setting that will lock the screen for 10 seconds for you to be able to wipe it down without pressing buttons. Press the hamburger option at the top and then the hand and towel button. Simply use a sanitized towel to remove fingerprints and smudges, and then a dry towel as a buffer so as not to leave behind water drops for a clear screen. The espresso spouts have a quick rinse option for if you notice buildup or the espresso isn't flowing properly. Press the hamburger option and the left or right rinse buttons for the aligning espresso spout. If you are still noticing issues after rinsing, please inform your manager. Eversys has cleaning balls used specifically for this machine. No other cleaning solution or chemicals may be used. The chute or compartment for the cleaning balls is in between the two bean hoppers. This next part is very important. You must load one capful or handful of balls at a time and inspect them before pouring into the chute. Any broken pieces must be removed, or they will jam and ruin the machine. These broken pieces may be saved, however, for soaking equipment in hot water similar to the Kafiza powder also used in the cafe. One container of Eversys cleaning balls contains 62 balls and so will last about 2 months. Each cafe manager will establish a monthly schedule for cleaning the bean hoppers. The hoppers are removed by turning the inner latch to the right for the front or to the left for the back, which also closes the bean chute. There is a label inside the hopper to show you which direction to turn the latch. Pour the beans into sealable bags temporarily. A dry or lightly damp towel is needed only to rub and remove coffee oil residue. Never use soap on them and always be sure they are completely dry before refilling the beans and replacing on the Eversys. Daily cleaning is done at the start and end of every shift. Daily cleaning is done at the end of a shift to clean after the day's use. It is also cleaned at the start of the day because Eversys has a mandatory cleaning prompt after it sits idle. To avoid this interruption in the middle of a rush, we bypass this prompt by starting the day with a clean cycle. Ensure that the cleaning ball chute is full, then start the cleaning cycle by selecting the hamburger option at the top of the screen. Press and hold down one of the rinse buttons until a prompt to start the cleaning process appears. Select Yes to continue. It will prompt you to empty the grounds container. And then a countdown will start. It takes about 10 minutes to complete the cycle. When it's done, it will prompt you to empty the grounds container to pour out the drainage from the cleaning cycle. Pour this in the sink and rinse the inside of the container. At this point, if this is a start of day cleaning, the machine will let you know that the coffee machine has cleaned without cleaning balls. If this comes up at the end of day cleaning, you will need to refill the chute and restart the cleaning process. For the end of day cleaning, the drip tray and pitcher rinser trays may be removed and sent to the wash station. Along with your milk pitchers, shot glasses, bar trays, and scoops.